So you have first thing, what we'll have to find out here is the distance. We are using the basic geometry distance formula, that is delta r is equal to, so delta r is equal to, you have the formula is delta r is equal to x2 minus x1 times j cap plus y2 minus y1 times, sorry, this is I cap and this is j cap, plus z2 minus z1 times Vijayant nice try, k cap, and Harshit and Eshwari, good, keep on doing it, that's nice. Some more answers to come, right? So substituting this, you will have it as r equals x2 minus x1 is 4 minus 1, which is equal to 3 times I cap, and the second one is 4 minus 0, which is equal to 4 times j cap, and the k cap 2 minus 3 will become 0. So k cap is gone, so the distance is 3. So if you have to find the magnitude of the distance, you will have it as the r is equal to root of 3 square plus 4 square. This is a Pythagorean triplet which will give rise to 5. Now coming to this, you will have the force, the Coulomb's law in vector form, F equals vector form k times q1 q2 by r square into r cap. We know that r cap, the unit vector, can be written as vector r divided by magnitude of r. This can be written as what? Vector r divided by the magnitude of the r. So this becomes k times q1 q2 by r cube into r vector, which is your unit vector. Understood? So now if you substitute the value, 9 into 10 power 9 is your constant k, and q1 is 100 and q2 is 100, sorry, into 10 power minus 6, and this is 200 into 10 power minus 6 divided by the magnitude is how much? 5, that is 5 cube times, this is 3 times I cap plus 4 times j cap. So if you substitute, this will be equal to 9 into 2 is 18 into, you have 9 minus 6 is 3, minus 6 is minus 3, correct? Minus 3 and plus 4 will be 10 power 1, and 5 cube is 125, which is equal to 3i plus 4j. So seeing the options, you know that in the denominator it has to be 5, 5, 5, 5. So this can be ruled out, which is not optical. So this can be ignored. So हमें पता है कि डिनोमिनेटर में 5 होना कंपलसरी है, तो इसके हिसाब से 180 by 25 times 3 by 5 I cap plus 4 by 5 j cap. अब 180 by 25 is approximately कितना हुआ? 7 times, क्योंकि 25 into 7 is how much? 175. So that is approximately 7.2 times 3 by 5 I cap plus 4 by 5 j cap. तो हमारा आंसर A सही था, and those who have got A, good, very proud of you guys, nice, keep trying. समझ में आया? So this is the problem. यहाँ पे हम नॉर्मल कूलम्स लॉ की जगह पे हम उसे पोजीशन कोऑर्डिनेट फॉर्म के फॉर्म पे लिखते हैं. We use the position coordinate form instead of normal Coulomb's law.